Welcome, soldiers, to our Army Fluids Camp, where you will learn how to go through fluids.
Yeah, let's go! Woo!
Welcome to our first obstacle, the water pit.
Water? That's easy. I know this one. This one's really basic.
Yes, we call those types of fluid Newtonian fluids. What that really means is that the thickness of the water does not change with how hard you push against it.
Oh, that's simple and easy.
And now for our third obstacle of the day, the whipped cream pit.
Whipped cream? This is weird. It feels like it gets easier the harder I push.
Well, that's simply because it is. This is an example of what we call a shear thinning fluid. The harder you push, the easier it is to go through.
What is this starch? Cornstarch of all things?
Yes, it is. It is what we call a shear thickening fluid, which means the harder you push against it, the thicker it gets.
Ugh. Yeah, I sure feel it here. Ugh.
Welcome to our final obstacle, the toothpaste pit.
Toothpaste? What, you think I need to brush my teeth, Sarge?
You sure need it.
Oh, you didn't have to go personal. This isn't even a fluid. This isn't part of the test.
You're actually right. This is not a fluid. This is what we call a bingham plastic. It acts like a solid until you push a certain amount, and then it begins to act like a fluid.
Ugh. Yeah, this one sure is thick.
We're working the pits, boys. Now, as a final review, who can tell us the type of fluids we went through?
Ooh, I can start us, Sarge. The first thing we talked about was Newtonian fluids, which are things like water that, when you push on them, it directly correlates with how much it moves around.
Good, and the next one?
I don't know, Sarge. That was the shear thinning fluid, right? Where the more you push on it, the easier it gets to move.
Yep, and what was the next one?
I know, Sarge. That was a shear thickening fluid, where the more you push, the harder it gets to move.
And the final fluid?
Well, sir, I think that final fluid is the Bingham plastic. That one that acts like a solid until you put a certain amount of force, then it acts like a normal fluid.
Great job, guys. You earned your fluid certification.
Yeah, hooray, woo!